This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. The power of paying your credit card in full. Paying your credit card balance in full each month is a simple but powerful habit that can boost your financial health. Whether you're new to credit or looking to improve your financial health, this can be a game changer. Paying in full means that each month you pay off the entire amount you owe on your credit card, not just the minimum payment. By doing this, you avoid interest charges that can pile up over time, keep your debt under control, improve your credit score, and even can earn very rich rewards from banks. The first and most obvious benefit is that you avoid paying interest. Credit cards typically have high interest rates. When you pay only the minimum or carry a balance, that interest adds up quickly, turning your purchases into a costly debt. By paying your balance in full, you essentially borrow money for free. If you're not carrying any debt from month to month, you never pay interest. Another key benefit is that it helps improve your credit score. One major factor in your score is your credit utilization ratio, the percentage of your available credit you're using. Keeping this ratio low by paying off your balance signals to lenders that you are a responsible borrower. Paying your balance in full also brings peace of mind. When you know your bill is fully paid, you're free from the stress of looming debt. With fewer financial surprises, you can use your card more regularly and frequently, which in return can earn you rich loyalty rewards from credit card issuers. Finally, paying your credit card in full encourages better spending habits. It forces you to be more aware of your purchases and stick to a budget. When you know that every dollar you spend will need to be repaid in full, you tend to think twice about unnecessary expenses. Let's quickly recap the benefits of paying your credit card in full. Avoid interest charges, improve your credit score, gain peace of mind, promote better spending. Remember, the key to success is budgeting and planning your expenses so that you can always pay your balance in full when the bill comes. WeFi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.wefiapp.com.